It's no secret, weight loss isn't easy, and with so much conflicting advice out there, it's tempting to go for quick fixes. But here's the truth. Long-lasting weight loss is about building sustainable habits. Let's dive into 5 effective strategies that can set you on the path to lasting success. Let's start point 1. Focus on nutrient-dense, whole foods. Forget about extreme calorie restrictions or eliminating entire food groups. One of the simplest, yet most powerful changes you can make is prioritizing whole foods. Fresh vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats will keep you full longer and provide the nutrients your body needs to function at its best. Whole foods keep you energized and curb those pesky cravings for unhealthy snacks. Not only will you feel better, but you'll also find it easier to maintain a calorie deficit without feeling deprived. Point 2. Move consistently, even in small ways. You don't need to sign up for a marathon to start shedding pounds. Daily movement, even in small doses, can make a huge difference. Whether it's a brisk 20-minute walk, taking the stairs, or doing light stretching during breaks, the key is consistency. In fact, studies show that people who take regular walks or engage in light physical activity throughout the day burn more calories than those who sit for long periods, even if they work out intensely. Aim for at least 30 minutes of activity daily to jumpstart your metabolism. Point 3. Track your intake and activity. Tracking what you eat may seem tedious, but it's one of the most effective ways to stay accountable. Apps like MyFitnessPal or Lose It help you understand your eating habits and make it easier to stay on track. It's not about obsessing over every calorie, it's about awareness. When you see your patterns laid out, you can make smarter choices and avoid mindless snacking or overeating. Tracking also helps you understand your body's energy needs, making it easier to stay in a healthy calorie range. Point 4. Prioritize sleep. Believe it or not, getting enough sleep is critical to weight loss. When you're sleep deprived, your body's hunger hormones, ghrelin and leptin, go out of balance, making you crave more high-calorie foods. In fact, research shows that poor sleep can lead to weight gain. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Not only will you feel more energized for workouts, but your body will be better at regulating hunger and burning fat throughout the day. Point 5. Surround yourself with support. Having a solid support system is one of the most overlooked yet powerful strategies for weight loss. Whether it's friends, family, or an online community, accountability is key. Studies show that people who have a support network are more likely to stick to their goals. Find a friend to walk with, join an online group, or team up with someone who shares your goals. Having someone to share the journey with not only keeps you motivated but makes the process a lot more enjoyable. These 5 strategies, eating whole foods, moving more, tracking your habits, prioritizing sleep, and finding support, are the foundation of sustainable weight loss. The journey may be long, but with consistency and the right approach, you'll achieve the results you've been working toward. Start today. Small steps lead to big changes. If you are interested, read more about this topic, so verified article link in description, read them. Our research based on these articles